Now we have a lesson for students who are doing okay, but they need some extra practice with this SE. So here I'm going to give them just a simple computation. So divide 4 into 1/2. So I might have manipulatives ready for them, sticky notes, everything they can use. And I'm going to have them think, how many halves are in 4 wholes? So my first session, I'm actually going to have them use a number line, and I'm going to give them an artifact to use that goes in their journal that they can use, and they love getting a sticky note in their journal. That's a big thing to them, so just having this is a great thing for them to use, and I actually have it marked for them already. So another way to do this would give them an open number line where they would have to do the notches, or if you have a student in this group who might still struggle with those number lines, I might simply give them starting one with 0. Or I might even have to have them start with going from 0 to 4. So the notches are there. Here they're not labeled, so there's a differentiation within this mini lesson as well. Here's where it's labeled from the beginning to the end, and here's where it's just labeled at the beginning, but the notches are there. Another way to do it would just be to give them a number line that's open, so they would have to do all the notches and the spaces. So I'd have them draw a number line, or I'd provide them one. I divide the number line into halves and then label. Skip count by halves from 0 to 4, and then they would record their quotient. I'm going to use the one that's labeled. So here I have 4, so I'd have to think, okay, what's going to help me get to 4? So here I'd have 1/2 1, 1/2 2, 1/2 3, 1/2 4. So there's my number line to 4. I'm going to divide them into halves, which is done for me, provided with the number line. And then how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pieces. So 4 divided by 1/2 would give me 8. So I would model that for the students, have them work on it in their journal. I might even have another one for them to try. So I would give them another number line, or depending on their level, I would just give them the problem. So here's the one for them to go try at their table. So not 2 divided by 1/3. That would be the one they'd go work on in their journal. Alrighty, another option would be, if they aren't able to use the number line, would be to use a picture. That's another way they can use to solve. So they would draw a picture, or they might use sticky notes or a strip diagram. Divide the picture into half so they can see side by side. When you use a number line or a picture, you're doing the same steps. Skip count by halves from 0 to 4 and record the quotient. So this should be simple for them since they've worked with halves since 2nd grade. So this should be a problem that they're able to identify with, and then you might want to get more in depth. For example, 2 divided by 1/3. They haven't worked with thirds as much since 2nd grade. I think it's been more since 4th grade. So then they'll have more experiences and they can build upon what they already know with the halves to understand this problem.